Hi, I'm Michael van der Mee from XIAC Australia. This is my daughter and assistant Kaatje. Today we're going to upgrade this Swiftpack machine. This will be a three-part video. The first part will be the installation, then the second part will be the setup, and the third part will be the operation. For the installation we need these items here, which is the new XIAC controller. We got a foot switch, because the counter will be functioning as a bulk counter. So we're going to need a foot switch. We got a counting head with the new XIAC sensors and the QA diagnostics terminal. We got a tablet guide and a nozzle. We got some tubs and we got product. So let's get going. Okay, so we first take this top cover off. We have made sure that it's not plugged in. Normally it's got some screws here, but I took them off already, so we can just lift the cover off. Like so. To the side, and then we need to undo these 4 screws over there. It's the wrong one. This should be the right one. You need to hold the nut at the back, otherwise it's gonna fall down. Right, then we do the rest of them. Okay, then we need to take these plugs out. So we got the plugs from the output card. Plugs from the output card, plugs from the input card. Oh, very tight, this one. There we go. These are the vibrator plugs with its power cord that can stay there. And then we have these for the synchronization. And one for the weight probe. Alright, that's all loose. And then we undo. This is the main 240 volt. We undo that one. And here's the 24 volt DC. Okay. All right, then we should be able to just slide it out. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That's done. So now we're first going to install the socket for the foot switch, which is this one. So I'm gonna take out the switch for the data entry and its key, and then we replace that one with the socket for the foot switch, because we're not gonna use this one anyway. There's 2 screws over there. We're gonna undo those, and then this basically just comes apart. Twist it and it comes apart, and then you can take it out. So those screws are loose, and then I should be able to turn it a bit and pull it out. Yeah, here it comes. I also undid these two wires that were attached to that switch. These ones we're not gonna use because the foot switch already, the socket already has some wires attached to it. Alright, so here goes the wires for this foot switch. A ring for the back. Ring and a lock nut. Okay. Alright, so we got the socket installed, so the switch can just go here. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay. Alright, so now we can install the new controller. That one just slides in. Just like the old one came out, the new one goes in. Alright, put the screws in there. Okay, then we tighten the power wires to it. Green, 0 volt. Open this up a bit more. Okay. Then the input connectors. The input connectors go here. Okay. And these ones. Those ones we're not gonna use because it's a bulk counter. I actually forgot one thing because I need to connect the foot switch wires. This is gonna be on input channel 16. Yeah, thanks. This one. So I got 0, then these two 24 volt. This one will be input 16. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, yep. They go in there. This one in there. Then the vibrators, they go in there. Alright. Then we still need to do the power over there. Can you see that? Or?
No.
No.
I'll move it over here.
Ground. neutral. Rifle here. Okay, that looks beautiful. I'll put this wire back, this one is loose. I don't want to short it to anything. All right, so these ones are for the 12 slides, the pneumatic ones, the cylinders. And these ones are normally for the synchronization, and that one is for the weight probe, but all of these are not going to be used. So for the moment I just leave them here. I'll do it a bit more neatly later. So then I reckon we can start it up and see if it works or not. So we're gonna change the counting it now. I'm gonna leave this unit in here, although we're not gonna use it. All right. The one with brand new sensors. Okay, that one goes back. All right. Okay, then we can turn it on. See how it goes. All right. Set. Clear. Take that one. Right. Let's start it up. It actually works. For the first time.
Yeah.
Because the other controller was broken. Alright, stop it for a minute. Let's check if we have the counting inputs over there. So this is channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that looks good. Let's try it ahead, see if all the channels are at the correct levels. Let's have a look here. Can you see that? Okay. Alright, what we got here? I need my glasses then. Can't see it. 84% is the lowest. LED drive 18%. So that's all perfect. Yeah, then we're good to go. Let's load some products. And then we do the next video, huh? Next step. Setup.
Yay.